It's nap time in my house. This green turkey decided to take a nap on my lap. Sometimes he likes to snuggle like that. He's such a good baby. Oh, no biting, Mom. No biting. No. No, tickle. Mama, tickle, baby. No biting. Biting is bad. I'm gonna tickle. You see? This is where their ears are. It's right there behind the eye. Yeah. Such a good boy. Yes, he is. He's a mama's boy. Here, can I get some tickles? No biting. Tickle. Tickle, Mama. Tickle. Good boy. Yes, you are. Oh, such a good boy. He loves it. He's my baby. This new feather is coming out right there. See that? They're molting. It's a molting season right now. Oh, my baby boy. My sweetie boy. Oh. Are you sleeping yet? Hey, stinker boy, where you going? Where you going? What, you want more tickles? You want more? No, no biting. I'll get you. No. No. Behave yourself. Give me tickles. Oh, yes you are. Yes you are. Oh, yes you are. That beak is very sharp. The bottom beak is extremely, extremely sharp. It's like a razor blade. And when he presses them together, he breaks a walnut in a snap. Can you imagine what he could do to fingers? No. Behave. Give me 4. Give me 4. I want 4. No, I don't want to give you tickles. I want to shake your paw. Give me a leg. Give me 5. Give me 4. Good boy. Yes, you are. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, hi, my baby. Hi, my sweetie pie. Мой сладкий, мой хороший. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Look how sharp it is. Look how sharp it is. Where you going? Where you going? Come here. Come to Mama. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Oh, my pretty baby. Where you going? Where you going? Yeah, everybody's watching you. Do you know that? You know that you're the star of the show? Come on, kiss. I love you. I love you. Do you know that? Do you want to snuggle? What you want to do? Are you telling me something? What are you telling me? What are you telling me? You gonna say hi to everybody? Are you gonna say hi to everybody or not? No? Okay. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Stinker.